Big Daddy Dave's walking down to let my doggies out. They can run free for a little while. Come see Mama! Come see Mama! Hi, babies! Come see Mama! Hello, babies! Yay! Hi! Hi, Maisie. Hi, Maverick. Hi, buddy. They're going to go right under the deck and look for people's scraps from barbecue. What you doing, Mama? Come and see me. Hello, baby girl. Hi, buddy. Are you having fun camping? Hi, Bubba's. You're my big boy. You're my big girl. Want to go down by the pond? You guys want to go down by the pond, Maisie Willow? Come on, let's go for a walk, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go across the bridge, guys. Let me grab my coffee real quick. Take it with me. You want your coffee?
Well, I'll get it. 'Cause I'm gonna set these
All right.
bleachers up there.
All right. Gotta get that water slide up and running. Go up over the bridge. Don't feel like getting sandy socks this early in the day. Let's go this way, Maverick Mellow. It's awesome, Dave. Now we get to slide under a bridge when we go down the water slide. Oh, sorry, violated her privacy. Go off the rope jump, the stump jump. Ouch. Bad knees and steep hills don't go well together. Yeah, no. Maisie did. Maverick went to the side. Or Maverick did. Maisie went to the side, I meant to say. Where's that goose at? I don't want to mess with the goose. Oh, I see him. He's straight across. Male goose on alert. Mama goose on the nest. That goose will poke your eyes out. He's big. Look, you look like a little kid. You look like a little kid, Dave. I can't wait to get the slide going. I'm excited to see how much more butt skin I can tear off coming down this big mean monster.
I'm too old for that slide. I'll be 60 in May.
You're only as old as you think you are.
Well, whenever I slide down that slide a couple times, I can tell that I'm almost 60.
Well, you ain't the only or oldest person to go down this slide. I've seen it.
Well, they also go home for a week and don't do nothing, too.
This is true. I live my life in chronic pain from stupid shit I do.
Stupid stuff?
Yeah, stupid stuff I do. I just refuse to grow up.
Maverick.
I can't help but grow old, but I don't have to grow up.
Daisy, come on.
I always end up paying the piper with sore this, that, or the other.
Come here, Maverick.
But heck, your other option is to do nothing and be bored, and I refuse.
Come here, baby.
Come on, Maverick Mellow. He says, I ain't taking them treacherous steps. I'm coming down the side. Good boy. Oh, he missed. He cute, but he is not the brightest crayon in the box.
Yes, a good puppy.
Aw.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, sir.
All right.
She loves her neck being rubbed.
She does. She's just such a lover.
I'll just lay my head right here, Dad. You just rub me. Yeah. Good puppies.
All right. Well, I'm going to go up there and sit with him and drink my coffee and talk to you guys later.